Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to add a clickable link for different options in Canva. I'll also show you some examples what you can use it for. When you would like to learn more about editing photos, subscribe to my channel to see my next recent updates. But for now let's continue with this subject. So you can use a clickable link in every design here in Canva, but you need to make a PDF of it. I'll show you that in the end. So this is for example a poster. This could be the front page of an advertiser, and you can add a link to your website right here, or your email right here, and even a phone number right here. So let's try this. I click on the element of the part I want to use and then click up above at the right here on the link icon, and then you can paste in here your website. So I'll insert youtube.com and click somewhere else, and now you see the link has added. I'll show you later that it works, also with the others. Now I click on the email and click on the link icon again and insert an email address. And it's added. And now the phone number, I click it and then the link icon and insert a phone number. Then I click somewhere else, and now to upload it and keep the links you need to choose to download it as a PDF, as I said. So you go to share here up above at the right and then click on download right here, and then you can choose here with the file type for PDF standard or PDF print. That's up to you, but standard is best for documents to share online. So I'll choose that one for now. And then I click on download. And here it is. And when I click on the website, it opens the website, YouTube. And when I click on the email, my email opens and I can write an email immediately. And when I click on the phone number, you see here it says tell and then the phone number. So this also works, of course, but not now because this is a computer. So what else can you use it for? For example, in an ebook to direct them to your website. Or when you have a business, this is perfect for letters or invoices, a CV, or you could use it in a school project. So I hope these tips were useful for you, and if you have any questions, let me know below in the comments and I will get back to you. I hope you enjoy making your own DIY photo.